In this video, I will show you how to highlight dates less than a specific date in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a list of orders containing order dates in this column. Now I want to highlight the order dates less than 31st December 2024 in red color. I will use the Excel date function to do that. The date function returns a date based on the specified year, month and day values. For example, this date formula will return the date 1st August 2024 while this date formula will return the date 31st December 2024. Let's create a formatting rule based on the formula. Select the range of the cells containing order dates. Now go to the Home tab, click the conditional formatting option and then select the new rule menu item. Select the use a formula to determine which cells to format option from the rule type list. Now we need to enter a custom formula that either returns a true or false value. I will enter this formula that creates the date 31st December 2024 and then compare it with the order date to check if it is before 31st December 2024. I will use the first cell in the range, cell C3, and compare it with the date using the less than sign. Excel will automatically apply this formula to the remaining cells in the selected range. Now click the Format button to open the Format Cells dialog box. Since we want to change the cell background to red, select the Fill tab from the top. I am going to choose the light red color as the background. Click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Make sure to check the Preview section to confirm the cell format. This custom cell format will be applied to a cell only when the formula we entered returns true for that particular cell. In this case, this format applies when the date is less than the order date. Click the OK button to close the conditional formatting dialog box. As you can see, all the date cells containing the date before 31st December 2024 are highlighted with the light red color. Instead of hard coding the date directly into the formula, we can also refer to a cell value containing the date. For example, in this Excel sheet, I have the date stored in E3 cell. I will slightly change the formula to check if the current date value is less than the date value stored in the E3 cell. I will also make the E3 cell reference absolute using the dollar signs like this so that it does not change when Excel applies this formula to other cells. As you can see, all the order dates less than the date value stored in the E3 cell are now highlighted with red color. This conditional formatting rule is dynamic, which means that if you modify any value, the format will be changed automatically. For example, if we change any cell value to make it before the specified date, the selected format will be applied automatically. Similarly, if we make any formatted cell value greater than the specified date, the red background color will be removed like this. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.